So if you have this situation, I got a Blackwater rinse hookup here this stays hooked up all the time. And here's my city water right here. And the issue being, this little fitting is kind of cheesy. And plus, the water comes in from down below. So up here, it's got to make that 90-degree turn. So I think with the addition, a permanent addition of this brass 90-degree angle may solve a future problem. Have this mounted permanently to there, and then I just use the brass connection here, which is now in line with where the water comes in. So pretty good deal on this setup here. You get the 2 washers and you get the plumber's tape to install on here. And I took the opportunity to change the filter from that ugly one to a new one. Okay, short but sweet. Got this thing installed, put the angle on it to catch the feed from the hose, so we have no stress or kinks on any of this stuff up here. Think it's going to be a good remedy and ward off a potential problem. Hope this helps you. Talk to you later. Bye.